family, and welcome to a new video from Simplekidscrafts.com. Today I am so excited to bring you this review, which is a closet that I bought for Barbie. It was 149 Turkish liras with 99 cents, and it has some pictures on the side. On the back itself, it has kind of a design, and I'm going to remove this label right here, and I don't think that it brings a lot inside of it. It actually has a couple of hangers, and that's about it. But the one good thing about it is that I think to myself that it was kind of cheap for the price, and it was kind of cool that I was able to get a Barbie closet that I can fill up with all the new things that I want to make. And I want to make a lot of clothing, a lot of accessories, and I want to know from you guys whether you have bought this closet wherever you live, and if you did, how much did it cost you? Did it cost you a little bit more than me? Did it cost you a little bit less? And here you can see that you can put accessories like purses, glasses, shoes, and all sorts of things. And it also has a hanger in which you can put your doll. And I actually bought a doll that is a made-to-move doll. And it cost me 119 liras with 99 cents. Again, I'm going to be putting on the screen how much that is in dollars. And let me know on the comments down below if you have a made-to-move Barbie and how much did it cost you. I'm going to be saving these pictures for making more crafts again. And here's the Barbie itself. And you can see that it has a lot of articulations, and actually you can pose the Barbie. And this is so much fun for me because now I get to make a lot of clothing and I get to show it off. And also accessories, and then I can pose my Barbie to have pictures. Finally, I can pose my Barbie instead of having that Barbie like just standing up and doing nothing. Again, let me know if you have a made-to-move Barbie, and if you bought this closet, let me know how much you paid for it. In this holder right here, you will put your Barbie, and then you will select the clothing that you want and start dressing up your Barbie. I really love this closet, and I am very excited to make new videos for you guys. So let me know in the comments down below what kind of videos would you like me to make, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.